Number two, use dish soap to clean your whole bathroom. You don't need 10 different bathroom cleaning products. Regular.
I love that he said that because people believe that you have to have a product for every single thing to clean in your home. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be reacting to some cleaning videos from TikTok. Some of them you may love, you may want to try at home, and some of them you might be questioning. Let's get right into it.
More hacks I know after professionally cleaning houses for the past 10 years that I wish I knew when I first started cleaning. Number one, let products sit. Instead of spraying and scrubbing right away, spray your cleaner and let it sit for at least 10 minutes because the product needs time to kill bacteria and loosen dirt.
10 minutes is kind of long for me. I guess because I just like to get in and get it over with. But there are certain things, let's say like the stove or the oven, you do definitely have to spray the product inside there. And I'll usually leave oven spray to sit for about, let's say about 20 minutes or so. Or I just spray it before I start cleaning. And once I'm done doing whatever, let's say whatever I was doing in the kitchen, I'll just go ahead and clean the oven. And it makes it so much easier because all you have to do is just wipe it down. And sometimes I do a little bit of scrubbing, depending on how much crud has built, depending on how much crud has built up in the oven. But he's definitely right. If it's, I mean, I don't take the toilet apart, but if that's what you're doing, if you're taking the toilet apart and you're doing like a whole thorough cleaning, and it's something that's really hard and tough to get cleaned, then I agree with what he's saying.
Clean seat makes scrubbing away easier and most importantly, disinfect. Number two, use dish soap to clean your whole bathroom. You don't need 10 different bathroom cleaning products. Regular.
I love that he said that because people believe that you have to have a product for every single thing to clean in your home. Some people have a product for the stove, they have a product for the bathroom, they have a product for the baseboards, they have a product for dusting. I don't know, they have a product for every single little thing. And you really don't need to be spending so much money on different types of products to clean every little section of your home. You could definitely use dish soap to clean the bathtub and scrub out all of that soap scrum, especially in the shower, on the shower tiles. Dawn soap is like my go-to for cleaning showers, especially when there's like heavy buildup of soap scum. That just, I don't know, just use that on a scrubbing pad and it was just clean it, sparkly clean. Trust me.
Dish soap can clean sinks, tubs, toilets, and even tiles. Number three, to clean your mirrors, just use water. Most people overcomplicate.
I love that. Oh my God. I'm sorry, guys, if you're getting annoyed I keep stopping this video, but he's just giving some good pointers. I mean, for real, people like to use Windex and all kind of other glass cleaners. I'm not knocking it, but trust me, you just need a clean wet cloth. Wipe down very nicely that mirror inside of your bathroom or your passageway or wherever. And then you could either use a microfiber cloth to just dry it off and you'll see how clear it looks after that. But mostly my go-to is a clean wet cloth and paper towel. And make sure you wipe off the wetness before it dries. Don't let it sit there and dry off, or else you're going to have watermarks and stuff. But as soon as you wipe it down with that wet cloth, go ahead right behind it with a paper towel, and it's going to be nice, clear, and clean. Just as clean as if you use Windex. Sometimes I felt like every time I used Windex, I would have streaks left behind. I don't know, but hey, that's my experience.
In mirror cleaning using sprays that leave streaks. But the secret for a pristine mirror is just using water and a microfiber. Number four, use the greaser to clean your cabinets. Cabinets are grease magnets, especially in kitchens. Instead of scrubbing forever, use a degreaser. It melts away build-up grease in seconds and makes your cabinets look brand new. Come in cleaning and I will share with you more cleaning hacks.
I love this guy. He has a lot of cleaning hacks that I already use, but definitely listen to what he's saying because I've been through all of this. I've used different products, trial and error, and you don't have to complicate it. You really don't have to overcomplicate it by spending all this money on different types of products out there. Trust me. Interesting. I have never seen a hack like that before. It looks like she got the job done, but I don't know if I'll use it. Would you guys use that hack? maybe it's worth trying. I could definitely imagine that the couch smells good. She used a Tide Pod, so I'm sure it smells good. But yeah, try it and let me know how that worked for you.
5 unhinged tips I've given to my clients and followers as a cleaning and organizing professional. Number 1, I call the lazy loop. And essentially it means you live out of your dishwasher and your dryer. So life is like a big loop. We use dishes, wash dishes, put dishes away, use dishes again. By using them right out of the dishwasher, you save the extra steps. I have minimal plates and pans. So every day I run the dishwasher and then I unload the dishwasher to cook and set the table. Rarely is everything being put away where it goes. I'm usually using items right out of the dishwasher. Same with the dryer. I put clothes on right from the dryer. Undergarments, shirts, pants, towels, kids' clothes, etc. Number 2, rewear clothes. I will wear the same lounge set all week. I wear my pajamas and wash them every other day. Number 3, don't fold if no one's going to see it. So many people get livid because I shove throw blankets into my storage ottoman. Why? No one sees them there, and the blankets are getting drug out by my kids every day anyway. Number 4, my basket method. People hate this, but you keep a basket in whatever room or hallway. At the end of the day, everything gets tossed into it. It's a 60-second tidy. Put it all away on the weekend or whenever you have time. Perfect.
I love the basket method, the fact that she has a basket in every room, especially when you got kids and kids just have toys all over the place and whatever else you got hanging around. You just toss it in the basket, and hey, that helps to tidy up faster, and it helps to have a place to store certain items.
Number 5, use what you've got. If you've got baby wipes close by, use them to wipe down the counters. Use what you've got. Organized chaos is not about perfection. It's the something is better than nothing mentality. Life doesn't stop. Take shortcuts when you can. Simplify when you can. Don't let anyone talk down to you or make you feel ashamed for accomplishing your best on any given day.
I can agree with that to some extent. I mean, I love her house is very much put together, and it looks like she lives a minimalist life. I don't know if I agree with wearing the same things over and over again, like taking stuff out the dryer and putting it back on. To me, that's like me having to wash every day, and I don't want my electric bill to go up that high, if you know what I mean. But hey, everyone has their preferences. I am not knocking her organization skills. Everything that she has suggested, some of it I would use and some of it I just wouldn't. What about you?
What products I use and what all I do as a housekeeper. I always start in the master bathroom, and my favorite cleaner for the bathroom is the Windex multi-surface cleaner because it's a disinfectant and it's safe on everything. You can put it on the glass, on the counters, the cabinets, everything. I start in the master because
Similar to what the other video was saying, the first video that I had up, like you don't have to use so many different products. Like she said, that Windex is a multi-purpose cleaner. You could use it for everything. The gloss, even though I wouldn't use it on the mirror, but hey, she uses it on the mirror, she uses it around the sink and everything else. Why not? And plus it's a disinfectant, so that's like a go-to right there without you having to carry so many different products with you to do a simple cleaning.
it's usually the most time consuming. It's going to take me an hour to clean this master bathroom because I am touching and wiping everything. I mean, this huge shower alone will take me 30 minutes. And my favorite thing is to use an e-cloth to wipe the glass with. E-cloths can be a little pricey, but they are so worth it, y'all, because I don't have to use chemicals on the glass, which means there's really no streaking in it. In the master, I'm mainly just touching everything, dusting everything, picking up everything. And this house is going to take me a good 3 hours to clean.
That house really don't look that bad. It probably has a little bit of dust build up, but even that, like it looks spotless to me. Looks can be deceiving though. Sometimes some houses they may look like, you know, they're tidy and everything. They don't have stuff all over the floor, but when you do pass your finger across the window shield and the furniture, you do see a little bit of dust build up. Yeah.
Because there is a lot of dusting. And y'all, this is such a beautifully decorated house. It is my favorite. I always want to go home, gut my house, and redecorate it after I see these houses. And I clean this house every other week or bi-weekly. That's what I call it. So I'm really just here to maintain. This house, nobody ever uses the guest bedrooms, so those will also just get a quick dusting and a wipe down.
As a professional cleaner, I get asked all the time, how do you get rid of stubborn odors in the home? So here are 4 tricks for smelly spots that most people don't know about, and they work way better than candles or sprays. If your fridge stinks, don't just toss old food. Take everything out, wipe down the shelves and drawers. Then here's the secret. Mix vanilla extract with water in a spray bottle. Wipe every surface and don't rinse. The vanilla keeps deodorizing so your fridge smells fresh long after you're done cleaning. For a burnt or fishy smelling microwave, water alone won't cut it. To deodorize, mix 1 cup vinegar, 1 cup water, and half a cup lemon or lime juice in a microwave safe bowl. Microwave it for 5 minutes, let it sit for 10, then wipe. The steam loosens grime, the vinegar pulls the odor, and the citrus leaves it fresh. It's like a deep clean and deodorizer in one without any...
Interesting. I mean, I know about putting water because I did it on my channel one time, where I put water inside of a microwave and I think I left it for like 4 to 5 minutes, and it definitely does create that steam and help you to be able to just wipe down the microwave with all those stubborn stuck on food and everything. but never have I seen anything to do with lemon and vinegar and water. So that's different. And I could imagine it does deodorize because sometimes the microwave does still have that food smell lingering inside of it. I don't know if I'll try it, but if you do, hey, put it down in the comments and let me know how it works out.
Scrubbing. If you've got pets, you know their bedding or toys can get really smelly. My go-to is Odoban, but remember, it's not a detergent. Add your regular detergent, then pour about a fourth a cup of Odoban into the fabric softener dispenser. Wash like normal, and everything comes out clean and
So Odoban is also very good for mopping floors, cleaning surfaces. They also have all-purpose spray cleaners as well, because that used to be my go-to. Um, I used to use it instead of using Clorox because some people don't like the smell of Clorox. And again, it's like a safer way to use disinfectant as well. So definitely that's a go-to. And what she's using it for the laundry, for pet smells, it does work for that too.
odor-free. To keep your trash can from stinking, sprinkle a little baking soda in the bottom of each new bag. It absorbs odors as the bag fills, so your kitchen stays fresher. Save this video so you don't forget these tricks next time your house smells off, and follow for more pro cleaning tips.
So definitely baking soda is a go-to to absorb bad smells and everything. Um, the vanilla hack, I've never used that before, never heard of it either. But baking soda is often placed inside of refrigerators, opened so that it could absorb smells. So you could also try using that if you don't want to use the vanilla um, method. But yeah, hey, this is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed these videos and I hope to see you in my next video. Comment down below if there were any hacks that you feel that you are going to go and try today, and let us all know how it works out for you. Have a great day.